Welcome to Park Cameras. Today we're taking a close look at the DJI Mavic Air. The DJI Mavic Air. There. Air. Mavic Air. With the Air, DJI have created what I think is the sleekest, coolest looking drone in their range yet, creating something that fits perfectly between the Mavic and the Spark, creating the happy medium that is the Air. With its small design, the Mavic dwarfs it, and folded up, the Spark is even bigger than it. Placed on top of the Mavic, it is clearly about half the size, and folded up, the difference is catastrophic. Despite its small size, the Air is capable of recording 4K 30 frames a second Ultra HD video. It can also record 1080p 120 FPS for silky smooth slow motion. This is the perfect tool for videographers on the go. And should you be on the go and you forget to bring your micro SD card, as I think we've all done, it has 8 GB of internal storage for those times that you need to get out of a sticky situation. With a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 12 megapixel CMOS sensor and an equivalent 35mm focal length lens that's f2.8, the Mavic Air is a very capable aerial photography platform. It can shoot RAW and it can shoot 32 megapixel panoramas that are stitched together by itself on board. These also are captured in RAW if required. With the introduction of the Mavic Air, DJI have also introduced Flight Autonomy 2.0. Using its onboard cameras, the drone is able to sense its surroundings and calculate a safe flight path through obstacles without any outside interference. With the active track on the regular DJI Mavic, the Mavic Air has taken it a step further and is now capable of tracking up to 16 objects at once. This means that you can set it off, tell it to track you doing whatever you're doing. It also features new quick shot modes, which include Helix, Asteroid and Rocket. All of these features require a tap on the screen. The drone will automatically follow you and fly around, creating a very cinematic, short video clip that can be shared on social media. With the introduction of the Mavic Air, DJI have clearly put a lot of thought into what makes a drone truly portable. From the folding controller to the sleek design of the drone itself, this is truly a drone for people on the move. I'm Matt from Park Cameras. Have a nice day.